As Ukraine's parliament voted to remove President Yanukovych, his lavish lifestyle was being laid bare, with protesters storming his country residence outside Kiev. Roaming around the grounds, people could be seen peering through the windows of the property, which was being guarded by a self-styled defence militia. Elsewhere on the grounds, a boat was docked in a private marina, which also housed a collection of luxurious items. Chandeliers, gilt furnishings and a collection of wine bottles and spirits could be seen on the vessel, one of which featured Yanukovych's picture on its label, a reminder of better days for the former leader. His exact whereabouts are currently unknown, following reports he was stopped by border police while attempting to fly to Russia aboard a private plane.